Looks like this whole box might be a clue. Alright, think big. What is the Omni printer? Well, let's see what we've got. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is a cup. Let's see. My first thought on that is that it's tapered. So tapered cups can be kind of hard to print on. I don't see any banding or anything, so it's got to have a way to level out the cup while it's printing. And then this is like a 40-ounce tumbler, so that's a big tumbler to fit in there. It's got a big handle on it too, and it's printed on both sides. So it's interesting. All right, we've got some stickers. It looks like there's like a gold foil into these stickers. They're stickers, right? Oh yeah, they absolutely are. Very cool. Got some more stickers. These are just the gold foil. So it says from apparel, anything to rigid. All right, so we've got one printer that can print on multiple things here. Oh, that's a lenticular. Looks to be more than 2 images too. Looks like there's maybe 3 images on that. We've got another lenticular print. This one's a phone case. Yeah, there's like 6 images on this one. So lenticular prints, this makes me curious about the camera system, because lenticular prints can be difficult just because of alignment, because you're printing along lines, essentially different images along those lines to get that effect. So the alignment has to be perfect. Looks like they've done a pretty good job with lining those up. I've got one more thing in here. It's like a roll of canvas. This thing is like huge. I'm having trouble showing you because it's so big. Okay, so we've got soft prints on a canvas, stickers, and then hard prints on these cups. I'm going to show you everything one more time. So there's that big, it's almost like a canvas banner. I'll go look at these cups again. So here's your cup. And then the big tumbler. I was curious how big of a cup we would fit on that, so that's nice to see, like a standard 40-ounce tumbler. Let's look at these lenticulars one more time. That's really cool. I could think of a lot of things I'd want to make with that. Look at the stickers. It's kind of crazy to think one machine is capable of all this. I mean, that's a lot of different substrates this is printing on, and it's doing well on all of them. All right, thanks for watching.